Today we're gonna deal with export settings. Hey, what's up ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy LB, and now today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can export your video in Premiere Pro. Either is any resolution you want, it is in full HD, it's on 4K, 8K. So I'm gonna show you how you can export your video, depend why the kind of the settings you want, okay, for exporting your clip. So let's jump on in Premiere Pro just right now. So let's suppose you have already done edit your music. Oh guys, I like to edit music, the reason why I say music. So when you have already done edit your video, now it is time for making export. So the things you have to do, and then you come up here for your keyboard. If you are using Windows, you have to press Ctrl+M, or if you are using Mac, you have to press Command+M, and then or you can come here for this export. Okay, here that is the second Y, and then the third way you can come here for this file and then press export, and then go here on this media. As I told you, this is the shortcut of export, Ctrl+M. Now you press here on it. Okay, now you see guys, you got the new window for export. So the things you have to know, you have to come up here for this file name. Here you have to give the name of your project. For example, it is called like music, it's called like music video, and then after here on this location you have to choose the location where your video will be saved. For example, let me choose here on this disk, on this local disk F. Okay, and then you press save. Okay, so come up here for this preset guys. Here it depends. Okay, if you just want to export in 4K, here you have to choose the high quality 2160 4K. Okay, or if you just want to choose the full HD, you have to choose this 1080. Okay, so for me, my video it is in 4K. All here you will, when you open up this export window, you will see this match source adaptive high bitrate as default. Okay, this is, it will talk automatically what the sequence of your video has. Okay, but here I like to export my video in 4K format because I always use 4K format. And then you have to know this format guys. As always, you have to choose this H264. okay, as default. All right, okay, so when you choose those four things, now it is time to make an export. But guys, make sure if you are going to export your video, you have to know if your all video it is gonna be exported all 100%. okay, so maybe you can just mark in or mark out a part of any video, a part of your video. Maybe it is between, it is in the front, it is behind. Okay, but you have to make sure your video it is marked all. Okay, so after marking your video, now you can press here on export. Now your video will be starting to be exported. All right, so this is how you can export this video in Premiere Pro. And if you have any question, please drop it in the comment down below. I just want to know what do you think, and don't forget to make subscribe, like and share, and I will see you in next video. Peace.